Hi, I'm Travis Vergens, Midwest Northeast Area Sales Manager here at Lyco Manufacturing. Since 1983, Lyco has been a leader in washing, peeling, and scrubbing various root crops, such as beets, white potatoes, sweet potatoes, squash, rutabagas, and carrots. We have been manufacturing peelers for more than 4 decades, and we have over 400 systems running throughout the industry. Our application experience has helped make Lyco peelers the most rugged and heavy-duty units on the market. Everything is built with precision to ensure that we are manufacturing the lowest maintenance and highest recovery peelers in the industry. Here at Lyco, we are constantly listening to our customers' needs for sanitary designs, simplicity, and reliability. As a result, Lyco is now shipping another Bull Junior, which is our new generation design root crop peeler and scrubber, and the most sanitary unit on the market. This unit is all electric, which makes it cleaner and quieter to operate. Allen Bradley PLC controls are also very user-friendly for changing roll and auger speeds. The unit's frame is a unibody design, and the Bull Junior cover opens on both sides with the auger raising for easy cleaning and inspection. This design also makes it easier to remove rolls and perform other maintenance. Lyco machines have the lowest cost of ownership. We only use bearings on one end, which means fewer parts per roll assembly. And grease lines run to one common manifold. All features that make the Bull Junior the lowest machine to maintain on the market. The Bull Junior also has a large, high-capacity bed depth. Lyco's largest unit has a 29-inch diameter full-length auger that controls the precise retention time of the product, resulting in improved recovery by 1.8 to 2.8%. So for more information on the Bull Junior or any other Lyco machines, feel free to call us at the office at 920-623-4152 or visit the website at www.lycomfg.com.